Jai Srimannarayana. 33rd sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tasmatva muttishta yeso labhasva jitva shatrun bhungshva rajyam samruddham mayaiva yete nihatah purvameva nimittamatram bhava savyasachin. Om. Pay attention to a open declaration of Sri Krishna Paramatma here. Krishna Paramatma asking you to act as an instrument in his hands. Only then you will be able to enjoy your prosperous life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely act as an instrument in your hands. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, bless me to enjoy my prosperous life. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act as and how you think." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 185th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna, while playing with Gopalakas, he is giving Brahmanandam to Gopalakas. For all the great enlightened people, out of their so many years of tapasya, they are not able to see, touch, experience Parabrahma, but such Parabrahma now playing with Gopalakas. Gopalas are able to see Parabrahma with their eyes. Gopalakas are touching Parabrahma. Gopalas are talking to Parabrahma. Gopalas are hugging, embracing Parabrahma. Aho kim varnyate dishtamato vrajaukasam. What such a great fortune these Gopalas are enjoying. It is incomparable luck, fortune these Gopalakas are enjoying. So like that, when all the Gopalas and Krishna were enjoying in that forest, there comes one Danava. His name is Aghasura. Devatas, though they are drinking Amrutam every day, they are still scared of this Aghasura. They are waiting that when this Aghasura is going to be killed. To that extent, this Aghasura is very dangerous. And Aghasura also sent by Kamsa. He is brother of Putana and Bakasura. Now Aghasura has seen Krishna playing with Gopalakas. And then he thought that this Krishna is the one who killed my brothers. So in order to make them happy, I have to kill this Krishna. Gopalaka balurato kudanu bakavairi nidruntu nanuchu paturoshamunan. Today I am going to kill this Krishna along with all these Gopalas. Like that, with so much of arrogance, Aghasura is now getting ready. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 33rd sloka. Tasmatva muttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun bhungshva rajyam samruddham. Mayaiva yete nihatah purvameva nimitta matram bhava savyasachin. Tasmatva muttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun bhungshva rajyam samruddham. Mayaiva yete nihatah purvameva nimitta matram bhava savyasachin. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.